I have a festering issue to attend to this evening, as Jamaican international Leon Bailey was at it again over the weekend, scoring the match winner for his club, Bayer Leverkusen, to go second in the German Bundesliga. This, of course, follows Bailey's brilliant strike before the international break, also helping his team to a valuable 3 points. Now, between those two club performances, Bailey played 2 international games for Jamaica against Saudi Arabia, and he had no goals and no assists. And the whispers getting louder, with the comparisons coming faster between Leon Bailey for his club and Leon Bailey for his country. This, for me, is total, premature, and ignorant nonsense. It's not like Bailey is playing badly for Jamaica. People are becoming victims of their own expectations. They feel like every time Leon Bailey touched the ball for Jamaica, him should have worked magic. Football no works so. His teammates are different. The coaching and the tactics are different. The team dynamics are different. Personally, I am happy with the effort and intent shown by Leon Bailey in a Jamaican shirt. We don't need Leon Bailey's best for Jamaica in these friendly games. When the qualifiers start and those big 3-pointers are up for grabs, that is when we need to see the brilliant best of Leon Bailey. Not now. Yes. So uno stop the premature grumblings and stop pressure the baller.